Meaning of day return.
Day return.
Day return.
Day return.
Day return. Day return refers to a type of travel ticket that allows the holder to return to their starting point on the same day they depart, typically used for commuting or short trips. The ticket is only valid for travel on the specified day, and the return journey must be completed on the same day. It offers convenience and cost savings compared to purchasing two separate tickets for the outward and return journeys. Additionally, it can help reduce carbon emissions by encouraging people to use public transportation more frequently for shorter trips.